Hello there and welcome back to Satisfactory. Yes, we're back on Satisfactory once again, going to be continuing our single player playthrough. Yes. So first things first, I know I'm going to say this again, but this one is going to be a shorter episode. Me being sick still, and got a quite a bit short on time. So yeah. But anyway, we don't have much to do, so we're going to get this factory running, and then I'm going to have to go. So. The new update just dropped for Enshrouded, so we're going to go play around with that for a little while. Should be fun. Let's see. Go ahead and jump down here. There we go. Ow, my knees. Extra phlegm for today. Okay, so if you weren't here last time, we had built these tanks. Built this with the blueprinter. So yeah, pretty good here. Alright, let's go ahead and clear this out. Let's get rid of this. So, clear blueprint designer. Get rid of that. Yeah, we're pretty much done. Yeah, all we gotta do is get the storage hooked, or get the factories hooked up to the train for storage, and then also get it uploading. So, yeah, should be pretty good there. Be nice if these with the uploaders, but you can't make the containers vertical, unfortunately. That's alright though. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna have 5 uploaders. Alright, so we're gonna have you know what we might do is use the uploader as an intermediary piece here. Organization. Yeah, because I use so much concrete, I'm gonna have 5 uploaders. So I'm gonna stick this like here. Stick it partially in the wall, I think. Alright. Need to go outside, see how that looks. I just want to make sure it's not gonna be super crazy. Yeah, that ain't too bad. I actually kind of like that. Little extra nodules for the side of the building. Give it that extra factory look. Okay. So yeah, we'll put our 5 uploaders down like that. Could stick it even further to completely cover it up, but actually, yeah. Let's try that. Let's see if doing that will do anything for us. Yeah, I don't like it. Maybe if we move it, use the thing and move it back like half a tick, that'll probably solve that issue. Like that, maybe. Said I have to go outside each time to look at it. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn this off for right now. Go ahead and turn this off for a minute. And body wants to sneeze. Or my nose wants to sneeze, but I can't. Yeah, I'm okay with that. That little bit sticking out right there. Okay. Do the same with that one then. Just I need to get them as far forward as I can, so that things will work like I want them to. I don't know if we're gonna go in the floor. I might go up immediately. So we'll say like this is the packager. See, that would be cool. Use the packager to package concrete. Like, you get liquid concrete, and then you use a packager to package the concrete into bags. You'd have to restructure some of the recipes. Like you would, like the foundations would require liquid concrete rather than solid concrete, and then you would have you'd have solid concrete, or maybe the packager gets unlocked earlier, so you can start packaging it, or maybe a concrete pack. I don't know. That'd be cool though. It'd be a really cool thing, but it is how it is. As is, it's never going to happen. Still need to be able to see that. Well, yeah, we'll say these are the packagers that put it in solid concrete. Or maybe they keep the concrete like it's a mixer, and it cycles the concrete in and out of the bucket. That sounds pretty cool, actually. That sounds like a cool design. Yeah, so we'll put this in there. And the last one. Okay, cool. So then these 5 packagers are going to be... So we're going to do conveyor splitter up above. Oh, is it not going to let me? No. We could do it with a foundation, though. Yeah, like I said, I want my mergers and stuff up here. Okay, and then we'll have the 4 lines of concrete maybe going down this way. And then to the train. And we could have them coming out this side, but this side's a little more complicated. Like if we had them pouring out of this to end up here. Yeah. Actually, I don't know how many lines of concrete we can actually have, because this one's a little bit different. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many machines do we have? I thought it was 10. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if we do 2 lines of concrete. Yeah, we do 2 lines of concrete, and then it won't be exact 1,000 because it'll be 2 belts, and our belts do only do 480. But when we get the Mark 5s, then we can upgrade it to the Mark 5, and then it'll be, and then those 2 belts. Yeah, since it's only going to be 2 belts, we could don't know. I don't know how I'm going to run the system. That is a question for the ages. Well, let's get this uploaded first. Let's get this uploaded first. So we're going to do conveyor merger. And I don't want to sink the concrete, I don't think. I mean, we absolutely could. I could probably figure out a way. Sorry for the flashing. Yeah, I want this touching the wall. Okay. So... conveyor merger. I think like that. Yeah. Next one. Alrighty. Now that we've got that portion done, we need to get these hooked up to the sink. And we're going to be using smart splitters. 5 smart splitters. Might make 6. Okay, so we have enough. Alright, cool. Yeah, now I gotta figure this out. Alright, so how are we gonna hook up to these particular ones? I think what I'm gonna do... Yeah, the problem with this is there's no way to line it up right now. Unless we put down more I gotta put my foundations back, I think. Yeah, we'll put my foundations back. If we can get a splitter close enough, we should be able to line it up. I say should be able to line it up. That is a big ol' big ol' should. Alright. Oh, my encoding overloaded. Fun. Just kidding. No, I'm not kidding about the overloading, but I'm kidding about the fun part. Alright, so if we put down... I think a normal splitter will allow me to line this up. Yeah, so if I put that there... And then we do... conveyor smart splitter. Yeah, we can line it up. Okay, sweet. That's exactly what I need. Alright. So then this way is going to go overflow, and then to the right it's going to be any, because we're going to upload first. I think that's the play. Now putting these in, I do have a bit of an issue with them being like that. If I can get it closer. Let's see. There is a way to do that. If I can do this here. 1, 2. And then zoop that up to that level there. Then connect it. Yes. Okay, that will work. The only problem being, it looks like crap. Yeah, it's gonna block the way, isn't it? If I move it out any further. I might have to... Wait. Can I get... Yeah, I can get all of those. Okay. So I can delete those, alright. Need to move it back 1, though. That's a little too close. Yeah, so maybe there. There we go. Okay. You can still sneak through there, unless I put this on it, of course. Because we're going to do that. Yeah, you can still sneak through there. I know it doesn't keep the floor clear, but that's really the only way I see of this happening. Can I delete these now? That'll be the question. Oh. I do like that the hitbox doesn't reach all the way through the, or reach completely around the bounding box of the machine. Like these. Yeah, you can't exactly like hit between those lights or anything like that, so I appreciate the new thing. Oh no, we were at the wrong level. Well, balls. Looks like I'm gonna have to try again. Yeah, because I didn't go up to this next level like I should have. Okay, there we go. Actually, might leave that lift in there. Hey, we're uploading. Exactly. Okay. Das is good. Das is good. Oh, whoops, I was getting ready to get rid of all that. I can't do that yet. Okay, so now we've got that uploaded. So the reason I did it like I did with the mergers is so that I could have room to put these splitters on there. The splitters on there. If I had put this splitter, say, down here, it would have had to merge inside of the merger there, and I don't know, it just wouldn't look good to me. So it's just like, yeah, I'll just do it like that. Okay, so then this next one is going to be we're going to go to the lower end. So same deal here. Alrighty, I think that will work. Got my factories going. I actually turned down the volume of all my factories, so now they're nowhere near as loud as they used to be. I also got the vehicle volume turned down as well. But yeah, so we split off of there and we go into all of our uploaders. So now all of it's being uploaded, and we got all of these factories going. So the top line splits 3 times, and the bottom line only splits twice, which is fine. No big deal there. And then I think what I'm going to do is I actually might output through the wall and just go over this way with a really tall set of belts. And then once it gets to this point, and then we just go over this way. And we just make the belts go all the way down. I think that would be the best way there. So, yeah, the thing we have to do is we got to get rid of these walls here. I might even get rid of this entire wall set here. Yeah, rather than going into the ground, let's bring the belts up and out. I think that'd be a little bit better looking. Okay, so then what we do, so to do a custom like kind of wall hole type deal, especially at these levels, you know, to where they're stacked on top of each other, we obviously can't use. Oh, we might be able to use them. We can get them at the right level. But yeah, if I go to do the next one, look how much lower it is. And we can only move it up maybe 1 meter, and then that would be it. Like if we put this right here. Yeah, we'd only be able to go up 1 meter, and it's still not good. Yeah, so what we're going to do, instead of doing that, we're going to use architecture. We're going to use these beams here to make our wall for us. Now, the one thing I will do, I gotta figure out where the center is. And where we can put our stuff here. 1, 2. What we can do is we can go. This will probably be the easiest. Take a conveyor stacker. Make sure it's at the same height. It is. There we go. And then we could just 3, 4. 3 and 4. I might leave these out. Okay, that go all the way up. But then what we do is we go all the way up to. Let's see. Yeah, that's a pretty good spot. We drag this just right there, so it's like a window seal essentially. Just like that. Then you do some beam connectors here. I might have to go to the outside. I don't want to have to repaint. Well, I gotta get the cream color out anyway. So, is that good? No, one more. Oh, one more. There we go. 1. There we go. Look at that. Let's put this wall back. Oh yeah, and then of course, I'm gonna put a beam across here. And then we'll take this. Maybe just the 2 corners. There, kind of ties it up, ties it together. And we gotta paint them all. And of course, because I put that there, I can't paint the little stubs. There. That's just a special piece of the building here. And now what we could have done as well with a lot of this is we could have just put a wall in. Yeah, I might actually just do that. There we go. So that way it's a little less intrusive. That's a little less intrusive. Yeah, that looks a little better. Actually, like that. Okay, let me take our little... I'm going to take this and put this here. So then I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is 10 tall enough? 10 is exactly what we need. Okay, perfect. Alright, but then for this, we're going to go all the way this way. Because we need a tier. So 1, 2. And then 10 is the tallest you can do, so that's why it's perfect. There we go. And then we're just gonna put these beams in as if we meant to put them. So yeah, basically like that. Now the only problem is this issue. I had to put the lifts on top of each other. It's not you're not gonna really notice all too much. You might see some duplicate stuff, but yeah, this is just there's the last freaking hurdle, and I can't get it to work right because the belt's too close to the station. And it would kind of mess with the rest of this. I could move it out one to make it work, but the only problem is then the other lift would be blocking this entrance right here. The lift would literally be here in order to connect to that port, just because of the way the lifts are. So it's just like, yeah, just put them on top of each other. It'll still look good. Once we get it all connected, of course. Oh, I put these in the wrong spot, didn't I? I actually did do that. It's fine. The more of these we have, the merrier, right? Oh, you would think anyway. So I'll put this. Okay, then we'll just basically do this. Oh, these are too close. Oh, balls. That means I gotta move everything out. I thought, I could have swore this was correct, but no. I guess we do gotta move everything out. Balls. I gotta fix everything now. Alrighty then, finally got that fixed. Let's go ahead and put that to there, put that to there. Let's get the stuff colored. That way it's within the proper... There we go. Perfect. Alrighty. You can see the concrete coming down. I got the two lifts on top of each other. See, that's all it looks like. It's not that bad, I don't think. A little bit of concrete coming out of here, but... Yeah, look at all the concrete go! Yay! We have concrete now. We are now making concrete at full bore. That's awesome. And of course, we need a concrete train to go with our concrete. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 3, 4, 5. There we go. There we go. Concrete train 1. It's not going to go anywhere, but that'll be okay. It'll be a-okay. Cool. That's the concrete factory done. That is the concrete factory done. So I think I am going to go ahead and leave it here because I am kind of out of time for what I need to be doing. So, like I said, it was going to be a short episode, but that's just the way it is. So, and not feeling too well. Plus, I got to go and do a recording with somebody else too. So, look at all the limestone going by. Heck yeah. Dude, that's awesome. We are making concrete by the bucket loads. Boatloads of concrete going. I like that you can see the limestone here. That's pretty cool. Alright, but anyway, with that though, like I said, that is going to be it for this episode of Satisfactory. Again, sorry for it being short, but really, things just didn't want to work out today. Plus, we got the Uncharted update to look at and all that stuff, so we're going to go ahead and do that. But, yeah. I do hope you enjoyed. Oh, and before you go, I would like to give a huge shout out and thank you to all of the investors you can see here. Seriously, thank you. You guys are awesome. It is much appreciated. And until next time, I guess it's a goodbye.